yeah, yeah. And you only live once, live life, live life. Ay. How can something so wrong feel right?
Hey, elle m'a love mama. Hey, elle a détesté l'idée d'être avec un artiste entouré de plein de go. On lui avait tout dit, elle avait tout vu, les groupies et les potes du bendo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this beautiful orange wig from Unice. So right now I'm just showing you what comes in the box. I got some clips and then like a bandana scarf and of course some lashes. You guys already know. So right now I'm really just showing you like what the wig looks like. So this wig was super easy to work with. The only thing I can say that really was not sitting right with me was the parting space. Even to get a side part was a hassle. So I feel like if you're more of a middle part girl, that this wig is going to be for you. You can always do a side part, but it just took me a minute to get because the parting space wasn't really big whatsoever. But besides that, guys, installing this wig was so easy. And do y'all see how beautiful these curls look on this wig? Gorgeous.
Elle a détesté l'idée d'être avec un artiste entouré de plein de go. On lui avait tout dit, elle avait tout vu, les groupies et les potes du bendo. Toute la nuit, oublie ce que tu crois, laisse-moi te prouver que je suis pas les autres.
Just a little quick side note, excuse my dry hands. I was extremely sick this week. I know it does not look like it, but I was really sick, but excuse my dry hands. And if you see me coughing, that's why.
On est ensemble maintenant. Tes yeux brillent comme des diamants. Oui, pour la vie, notre histoire est belle, je le vois sur le visage des haters. Oh oui, ça nous envie. Jalousie, passons tout ça, nous trouble pas. Je suis à toi, my love. Mama, mama, butu, jump toute la nuit, c'est surtout mon rentre pas, baby. Jump toute la nuit, ouais, toute la nuit, suis le rythme de mes pas. Jump toute la nuit, ton corps me met dans tous mes états, baby. Jump toute la nuit, ouais, toute la nuit, que ce moment ne s'arrête pas. Elle a détesté l'idée d'être avec un artiste entouré de plein de go. On lui avait tout dit, elle avait tout vu, les groupies et les potes du bendo. Jump toute la nuit, ouais, toute la nuit. Jump toute la nuit, ouais, toute la nuit. Jump toute la nuit, jump toute la nuit.
It was at this point that I knew I messed up. I forgot to tin my lace. I really forgot to tin my lace, but don't worry, I ended up just using some lace tint over it. But I was just like, why does my wig look so white? But yeah.
Pull up not a chop top, girl a chop frock. Clean from my head top, me no take chat. Say she like the style, so I'ma pull it up back. Yeah. God. Sexy 19, suit 20, and your belly man so empty. Be me no like when you gone to school left me. You pull up in that blue Bentley. Bad man pull up on your foot, your crew them see. Me no like when them too friendly. Girl, I need time with your body. I'ma know say you offended. She like the size of the pipe. Push it in, she say I. Tell her boom boom just too tight, yeah. I feel be me wife, yeah. When you bend over me, I send it up top. Anything you want me, I give you that. After my pop, yeah. And me say slim thick. Girl, you better come for the big dick. Clean and pretty with your lipstick. Wine Bangkok till your hip grip, yeah. Like the stars. When I wine, yeah. Tell her say a bad long time. Alright then, yeah. Fresh breeze, I'ma feel like a dove. All white like me come from above, yeah. On the right of the girl I'ma love. Pussy tight, I'ma can't get enough. Tell me, tell her say your body deserve. I got me beg you sit down, come cocky for me. I me squeeze up your nipple, me go down in your me go, girl, me know you not give it away. She like the size of the pipe, push it in, she say I. Girl, your boom boom just too tight, yeah. I feel be me wife, yeah. When you bend over me, I send it up top. Anything you want me, I give you that. After my pop, yeah. I miss a slim thick. Girl, you better come for the big dick. Clean and pretty with your lipstick. Wine bang up till your hip grip. Yeah, like the stars. When you wine, yeah. Tell you say you've had a long time. Pull up not a chop top, girl a chop rock. Clean from my head top, me no take chat. Say she like the style, so I'ma pull it up back. Yeah. Pull up not a chop top, girl a chop rock. Clean from my head top, me no take chat. Say she like the style, so I'ma pull it up back. Yeah. She like the size of the pipe. Push it in, she say I. Girl, your boom boom just too tight, yeah. I feel be me wife, yeah. When you bend over me, I send it up top. Anything you want me, I give you that. After my pop, yeah. I miss a slim thick. Girl, you better come for the big dick. Clean and pretty with your lipstick. Wine bang up till your hip grip. Yeah, like the stars. When you wine, yeah. Tell you say you've had a long time. God. Me if I do it long time, Fred now. Yeah. Pull up not a chop top, girl a chop frock. Clean from my head top, me no take chat. Say she like the style, so I'ma pull it up back. Yeah. God. Sexy 19, suit 20, and your belly man so empty. Be me no like when you gone to school left me. We pull up in that blue Bentley. Bad man pull up on your foot, your crew them see. Me no like when them too friendly. Girl, I need time with your body.
This is what the final result looks like. I had such a great time installing this wig. I've never done anything colored, and it was honestly pretty easy to do. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Love you.